Ayy, ayy, ayy. Yeah, listen to me carefully. These hoes are scared of me, don't wanna be compared to me. Failure is red in me, your man pull up my chair for me. He wanna marry me, my haters give me clarity and popularity. I'm still fucking bossy, it's a burden. Everything I serve it like a bird, like Russian, Dutch, and German. Flow that make you nervous. In that Tuesday wagon, 22s looking murderous. I pop my shoulder, that picture get exposure. Got beats like Oprah, my patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerated.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's ItsMaegansLife. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and thank you for the old ones that keep rocking with me, because you know it's a journey. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. I went shopping again for Black Friday. You can't say no to Black Friday deals, and I got a I got a bunch of stuff off of Amazon and Fashion Nova haul is coming pretty soon. Misguided haul is coming after that, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Thank you. But anyways, the point is, the stuff I got off of Amazon, I got a couple things off Amazon. Let's just get right into it. Okay, I feel like this top I always wear in hauls. Don't ask me why. It is what it is. So we're gonna hop into it. This one, oh, okay, yeah. I've got this package from Amazon. I got 2 packages from Amazon, and I'm excited for the second one. Okay, first things first, I'm the realest. Hey, the whole world feeling, let it feel it. In the minutes and hold me down like I'm taking lessons in physics right there. Sorry, I had coffee. Anyways, first thing I got was this little guy. This is like a silicone face scrub brush thing. I got 4 of them. It has like these little handles here that you can hang on to and like hook your fingers here and scrub your face with it. So I got this. I'm pretty excited for this one, actually, like super duper excited. And I've got a pair of shoes, sneakers things. Empty. Rymot, I don't know, but this is the brand name of the sneakers, and this is what it looks like. I got a pair of black sneakers. This is what it looks like. This is what I got for the gym. I'm pretty sure this is the one I got for the gym, because I ordered 2 pairs of shoes. I got this for the gym because my gym shoes are pretty old and they're given to me by like a really horrible ex, so I'm just, you know, eradicate all bad energy, stay far away. So I officially replaced them with this. I love black shoes. Yes, I believe these are the ones I got for like running and stuff whenever I choose to run. This is the wrong size though. Yo, it says a size 8. I've never been a size 8 in my life. I'm a size 11. Let me try it on. Oh Lord Jesus, don't let this be true. Oh no, it fits. Whew. But why does it say 8? Why does it say size 8? That's weird. That's suspicious. Whatever, it fits. So, yay! Okay. Second one is a bit hefty. This big old box. I'm gonna need help. Okay. First thing in this box is another pair of shoes, and I think these are just my walking around shoes. So let's see what they look like. Yes, it is straight up all black, and it's just like one of those like what's the thing called? One of those, Why is this so hard? Sock shoes. One of those like sock shoes. So this is just like my everyday shoe, you know, whatever. I got a pair of everyday shoes from Old Navy, but I wasn't the biggest fan of it because it was not black. I like black shoes. So I got these for like every day, walking around, running around the streets, you know, trying to catch trains and stuff. So yay, that's what I got. Let's see what she looks like on me. Oh, not bad, not bad. Y'all, I've got big feet. I know I've got big feet. Get into it. Get into it. Period. Clink, clink. Walk, walk. Poop, poop. Yeah, no, I'm crazy. The last thing I got, which y'all about to watch me put together, is actually not as big as I thought. Is this, and is a stackable and foldable shoebox. I'm so excited when you guys see the final product. It's like clear shoe boxes, and I'm gonna put it together, and it's going to make my room look so much better because I'm going crazy because my shoes are all over this room and there's no real storage for them. So I'm gonna make storage, make it happen, and that's all, folks. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it yet in my room. So let me show y'all really quickly. I know it's a hot mess. I know it's a hot mess, but currently my shoes are like lined up here with like my tote bag and just all these like bags I have because I always have a lot of stuff to take with me to work. I was gonna put some shoes here on the shelves of this guy, but I think I like him more for like more aesthetically pleasing stuff. And then I usually would like my everyday shoes are just like stacked up right here. But I'm thinking of putting my shoes and just keeping them right here in this side of the wall, and that leaves this side of the wall free so that I can put like, I don't know, number one, access to my bed to make it and everything, and also I could like use this for other stuff. I'm not quite sure what yet, but I'm gonna use it for other stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the shoes together and put them right over here. So let go. This is what I look like right now, y'all. I look so crazy. My bed is unmade. Definitely have gained weight for sure. Look at this. This is so sad, y'all. But I did it to myself, and it was delicious while I was doing it to myself. So here we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Hey, there we go, baby. There we go. Hey, 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 hey. Let me stop, y'all. All right, let's get to work.
I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerating from nobody. I am back, I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Nah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am back, I'm back. Hey, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. My sex appeal will knock you out. Mayweather 50 rounds and labels you cannot pronounce. Les Archauté en France, Maryland without the bleach. And with the glasses on, I'm 20 out of 20. Please, try not to cry on me. Now that all my dreams are manifesting. Faces even when it resting. I could write a million songs. In my zone, I do no wrong. Chilling at the crib, t-shirt with no panties on. I pop my shoulder, that picture, get exposure. Got bees like Oprah, my patience is bipolar. I thought I told you, don't prep me or I'll roll you. I won't be tolerated from nobody, cause I am back. I'm back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. I am back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am.
Alrighty, y'all. I am done. Y'all saw the struggle. It was a bit of a struggle, just a bit. But I have 2 extra shoe boxes, which means I need more shoes. Not really. Nah. I don't know, y'all. Since I moved here, I've been shopping a lot more than I have in my entire life. But whatever. But these are the 2 I like. Y'all saw me attaching all the shoe boxes together. I'm going to keep them in that corner there. But I still, you know, I have room and space. I'm not sure how I feel about, like, My bed's on me because I gotta wash my sheets. But my bed, I've got this little thing here that I have to organize. I've got this, and I've got the shoe boxes against the wall, and then my mirror is right here. So if I were to ever do like a get ready with me, I guess no, it's okay. It like aligns pretty nicely, you know. But that's just where we are right now, y'all. I am so tired. I still have to wash my hair because I want to take out my twists for tomorrow, which might not happen. Let's be real. I have to go and take all this down to the trash. Those are the shoes, my gym shoes I'm throwing away because they're old and beat up anyways. And then down here, I've got some stuff to haul for Fashion Nova. So, yeah, lots to do. But yeah, I'm gonna tackle this little nook right down there. Got my tripod's in the way. This little nook right down here, I'm gonna tackle that. And then I'm not sure if I want to move this all the way over so that my room is wider, or if I want to reshuffle where my bed is, or if I want to get rid of this guy completely. I don't know. I have decisions to make. But yes, my room is a mess, and it's not a mess at the same time. All right, y'all. C'est bon. C'est bon. It's not even late. The time is, Alexa, what time is it right now?
It's 4:34 p.m.
See?
Have a good evening.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's not that late, but look how dark it is outside, which makes you feel like it's a lot later than what it actually is. But I think I have enough time to wash and dry my hair and then take it out and then braid it and then take it out again. And that sounds like a lot. That sounds like a whole lot. I'm in no mood. I haven't eaten all day. I had coffee and cake. That's I ate. That counts, coffee and a slice of cake, but that's not food. I need sustenance, and I don't have anything to sustain me. So, calcare? I don't know yet. I'm probably gonna make a smoothie or something. I don't know. I just want to finish up my room, so let's continue. Alexa, play.
I'm that. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am that. No, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. I make the typical chicks pick up a twitch. QH initial gold stamp on my kicks. Lay it out for me gracefully. I don't trip. I kick it real as I can kick it. No script. Go on and hate me. I feel you. My reputation precedes you. You talking down. I don't hear you. My interjection is lethal. Black cashmere sweater is see through. My icy glare need to ski-doo. You heard of me. Guarantee you. Cause all your friends saying queen who? Hey.
Good morning, guys. So I'm on my way to work this morning. It is raining cats and dogs, but this is the end of the vlog. I figured I'd end it here, and I can edit and have you guys watching this by Sunday. So I will see you all in my next video. Stay tuned for that Fashion Nova haul I keep talking about because it's coming. And let me grab my mask, social distancing, preventative measures, and let's go. Yes, I work on Saturdays, by the way, if you guys didn't put it together. This is a Saturday morning. I'm on my way to work, and I'm extremely late. But it is what it is. I had stomach issues this morning. I still have them. Alright, y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. Bye, guys.